Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the fundamental steps to create effective Facebook ads that will help boost sales for your business. Let's dive in and empower your advertising strategy. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before creating your ad, you need to define what you want to achieve. Are you looking to drive traffic to your website, increase conversions, or raise brand awareness? Setting a clear goal will help you create a focused ad campaign. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Understanding your audience is key to successful advertising. Use Facebook's audience targeting options to narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. The more specific you are, the better your chances of reaching potential customers. Step 3. Choose the right ad format. Facebook offers various ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and slideshow ads. Choose the format that aligns best with your campaign goals and resonates with your audience. For example, video ads can be very engaging and effective for storytelling. Step 4. Create compelling visuals. The visuals you use are critical in capturing attention. Use high-quality images or videos that reflect your brand message and resonate with your audience. Make sure your visuals are eye-catching and relevant to your product or service. Step 5. Craft engaging. Your ad copy should be compelling and concise. Start with a strong headline that grabs attention, followed by a description that highlights the benefits of your product or service. Include a clear call to action, CTA, encouraging users to take the next step, whether it's visiting your website or making a purchase. Step 6. Set your budget. Determine how much you want to spend on your ad campaign. Facebook allows you to set daily or lifetime budgets, so decide what works best for your business. Keep in mind that you can always adjust your budget and bids based on the performance of your ads. Step 7. Choose placement options. Facebook offers various placement options for your ads, including the news feed, Instagram, and audience network. Choose where you want your ads to appear based on where your target audience is most active. Step 8. Monitor and optimize your campaign. Once your ads are live, it's important to track their performance. Use Facebook Ads Manager to analyze metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Based on this data, make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaign for better results. Step 9. Test different variations. Don't hesitate to experiment with different ad creatives, audiences, and placements. A/B testing can help you understand what works best and refine your strategy over time. Test one element at a time to see how it impacts your results. Reminder: creating Facebook ads that boost sales is an ongoing process that requires attention and adaptability. Stay informed about trends and changes in the platform to keep your strategies effective and relevant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable content on growing your business.